KebG Weather Overview. How's it going out there, everybody? This is the Climate Prediction Center. This is their outlook from July 16th through the 22nd. And that red paint bomb over the lower 48 states is indicative of what I think could be a significant period of hot, humid weather, not only for the tri-state region, but for much of the lower 48 states. This pattern is reverting to a more summery look. The jet stream is going to stay well up to the north, and that is going to be a free passage for hot, humid weather to take over, especially now that we're in the period where we're supposed to be the hottest for the summer season. This is typically when it happens. So, mid to late July through early August, and it looks like these hot temperatures are going to coincide with the hottest part of the year. So this is the Climate Prediction Center. Now, I want to caution you that the Intellicast, the Weather Underground numbers that I'm going to show you later, they might be underdone. I'm concerned. I'm concerned that, portions of the tri-state area, especially the urban locations, are going to be in for a heat wave at some point, beginning Saturday through next week. And it's a question of when and for how long. Now, the areas along the coast and along the shore, they luck out a lot of times, and they can get the odd day where they stay below, well below the 90-degree mark if that sea breeze kicks in just right. But for the urban locations, this could be a tough period of heat and humidity starting Saturday. So I'm a little bit worried about that based on the overall pattern. Right now, we've got nice temperatures. They're mainly in the 70s all throughout the Midwest and the Northeast. A few 80s showing up, but overall pretty pleasant temperatures. Although I think the Climate Prediction Center didn't have it right as far as the overall weather pattern is concerned. I'll show you about that once we go along. Now I want to show you the main rain chance that we have this week. It looks like it's going to be Thursday afternoon, Thursday night with this cold front passage, and the GFS shows it pretty well. Widespread showers and thunderstorms, and these showers and thunderstorms are going to bring heavy rain. Now there may be an isolated severe thunderstorm threat, but the main issue with these storms is going to be torrential downpours. We're going to have a lot of humidity, and this front is going to work in concert with that humidity to bring us showers and thunderstorms, and I think they'll be pretty heavy at times for Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. So that might be an issue for the Thursday afternoon and evening commute if you're trying to get home. You might want to leave a little extra time for the evening commute on Thursday. After that, though, do we get any measurable rain through the weekend and into early next week? The GFS would have you believe no, not really. Maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm Sunday night and a Monday, but all in all, this looks like a very summery type of weather pattern. We are high and dry off the GFS. That may change, but it doesn't look like it, and I'll show you why. This is the European model, and the European model is basically showing you that this is where we are right now. The jet stream stays way to the north. The jet stream was making some inroads into the Northeast in late June, but that is now a thing of the past, and that is going to give a ridge of high pressure. After we have the cold front come through, I think the stage is set for widespread hazy, hot, and humid temperatures, and it's going to fluctuate from day to day, but I am concerned for the urban corridor, mainly for the city and for urban New Jersey. I'm concerned that there's going to be a period of time where we do get into a heat wave territory where it's 3 days or more of 90 degrees plus. Now, it doesn't show it off of the Weather Underground, but I think the overall pattern suggests that areas that are usually the warmest are in danger of seeing heat wave-like temperatures for late this weekend into early next week. So if you have time off, especially next week, head for the shore. It looks like it's going to be our most sustained period of hot, humid weather beginning Saturday. Whether it'll characterize as a heat wave, I think that'll vary from spot to spot. Obviously, if you live along the shore, it's not going to be as prevalent. But for the urban locales, this is a real potential here in the extended portion of the medium to long range forecast. So that's what we're looking at. It looks like we're going to take a turn for a very summery weather pattern, especially into this weekend and early next week. And it may be one of those patterns where it rolls for a while. So we'll keep an eye on it, and I'll have more to say later this week.